Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treats and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video, we are making this delicious palava sauce. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we need 500 grams of spinach. You can use fresh or frozen. We need 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, 150 grams of melon seeds, 2 eggs, 120 ml of palm oil. You can also use vegetable oil, 2 onions, pepper, cloves of garlic, and cured fish, which is optional. We have 3 mackerel here, which I have already cleaned and cut into 8 pieces. We also need some salt to taste, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, and rosemary. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. So we'll begin by marinating our fish with our white pepper and black pepper powder as well as our rosemary. And then we'll pour over this about a teaspoon of oil, rub it very well with the seasoning and cover it up and allow to marinate for at least 20 minutes. We'll then be baking this in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 minutes and flip it halfway through the cooking time. Next, we'll be blending one of our onion with our garlic and pepper. The remaining onion, we'll slice it up and use it later. We'll add about 100 ml of water to this and blend everything. We'll also be blending our melon seeds with about 100 ml of water. Once we are done blending, we'll whisk about 2 eggs, add it to the blended melon seeds and mix everything well together and set aside to use later. We'll then proceed to chopping our spinach. Typically, palava sauce is prepared with cocoyam leaves, but if you do not have cocoyam leaves available, spinach works great as well. As we can see here, our fish is all done and looking very juicy. Next, we'll be pouring our palm oil into a saucepan, and once this is hot enough, we'll add our cured fish, and this enhances the smell and taste of the oil greatly. We'll then add our chopped onion and allow this to saute for about a couple of minutes. Once our fish is done frying, we'll take it out and set it aside. We'll then add our chopped tomatoes and then also add our blended ingredients to it. We'll mix everything well together and allow this to cook until the water evaporates considerably. So as we can see here, our stew has thickened up. We'll then proceed to add in our blended melon seed. At this point in time, we'll gently mix everything well together, cover it up, and allow it to cook on medium-low heat without disturbing it. From time to time, we'll gently stir it up a bit, like I'm doing here. And then once it's cooked enough, we'll add some salt to it. Add the remaining chopped onion and then our spinach. Please do not be concerned about the volume of the spinach. It's going to reduce in quantity after cooking. After about 5 minutes, we'll be adding our smoked mackerel and then allow this to cook for about 5 more minutes. And our stew is done. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe you can make at home for your friends and family to enjoy. You can have this with plantain, boiled plantain as I have it here, with yam, with rice. It goes very well with rice. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe if you've not done yet and turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. See you in the next one. Bye!